Increased muscle strength in the chest, triceps, and shoulders. The bench press is a compound exercise that works for multiple muscle groups, including the chest, triceps, and shoulders. Regular exercise can help increase strength in these areas, making everyday activities easier and reducing the risk of injury. The bench press is a great exercise for strengthening the chest, triceps, and shoulders. When done correctly, it can help improve posture and reduce the risk of injury. Doing this exercise regularly will help to increase muscle strength in these areas. You should focus on proper form and technique when performing the bench press. This will ensure that you are targeting the correct. Improved posture. Doing bench presses daily can help improve posture by strengthening your chest and shoulder muscles, which can help reduce the rounding of the upper back that often occurs due to sitting for long periods. Good posture makes you look taller and more confident and reduces the strain on your neck, shoulders, and back. Increased bone density. Regular weightlifting, including the bench press, can help increase bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Weightlifting has been shown to help increase the thickness and density of bones, making them stronger and more resistant to fractures. The bench press is a great exercise for increasing bone density. It works the muscles of the chest, shoulders, and triceps, which are all connected to the bones of the upper body. When these muscles are worked regularly, they help to strengthen and support the bones in those areas. This increased strength helps to increase bone density over time. Better athletic performance. The bench press is a functional exercise that can help improve athletic performance by increasing upper body strength, power, and stability. A stronger upper body can enhance your performance in your sport, whether you are a runner, a gymnast, or a basketball player. The bench press is a compound exercise that works multiple muscle groups, including the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. When done correctly with proper form and technique, it can help build strength in these areas. This increased strength can improve athletic performance by allowing you to generate more power and stability when performing movements such as jumping or throwing. Increased endurance in upper body muscles. Doing bench presses daily can help improve endurance in the chest, triceps, and shoulders muscles. As you progress, you can increase the weight, reps, and sets to challenge yourself and build endurance. When done correctly, they can help improve muscle tone, size, and strength. Daily bench presses can help increase chest, triceps, and shoulder endurance. Improved muscle definition and tone. Regular bench presses can help improve muscle definition and tone by building lean muscle mass and reducing body fat. This can result in a more defined and toned appearance, especially in the chest, triceps, and shoulders. Better overall upper body fitness. The bench press is a comprehensive upper body exercise that works for multiple muscle groups, making it a great way to improve overall upper body fitness. This can help you perform explosive movements, such as jumping and throwing, more effectively and with more power. Enhanced upper body stability. The bench press requires stability in the shoulder blades, scapulae, and rib cage, making it a great exercise for improving upper body stability. Regular bench presses can help you maintain control and stability during upper body movements, reducing the risk of injury. Enhanced muscle activation in the chest, triceps, and shoulders. Regular bench presses can help activate the muscles of the chest, triceps, and shoulders, leading to better muscle activation and improved performance. This means you can lift heavier weights and get more out of your workouts. Regular bench presses can also help increase strength and power in these muscles, leading to better performance in other exercises. Bench presses are a great exercise for building upper body strength and muscle. Doing them daily can help you develop better muscle memory, which is remembering how to perform certain movements without having to think about it. This improved muscle memory can make it easier to perform other exercises and activities that involve upper body movements, such as push-ups, pull-ups, and even everyday tasks like carrying. Enhanced muscle activation and performance in related exercises. Doing bench presses daily can help improve the activation and performance of other upper body exercises as well. This is due to the increased strength, power, and stability developed in the chest, triceps, and shoulders. Better body mechanics and movement patterns for upper body.